The Congress Party on Sunday named its party General Secretary Randeep Surjewala as chairman of the Election Management and Coordination Committee as it formed various panels for the upcoming Bihar Assembly polls. For the 14-member Election Management and Coordination Committee, Mohan Prakash was made the convener. Senior leaders like Meera Kumar, Tariq Anwar, Shatrughan Sinha, Kirti Azad, Shakil Ahmed and Sanjay Nirupam are also included in this panel. The party statement said that its president Sonia Gandhi also approved the setting up of Publicity Committee, Media Coordination Committee, Public Meeting and Logistics Committee, Legal Committee and Office Management Committee for the Bihar elections. Pawan Khera, the party spokesperson, has also been named the chairman of the Media Coordination Committee for these polls, while Premchand Mishra will be the convener and Rajesh Rathod will be the co-convener of this panel. Moving on to the next news, in Uttar Pradesh, a woman Congress worker was thrashed at an internal meeting of the party after she opposed the nomination of the party candidate from Deoria, saying he is an accused in a rape case. On the one hand, our party leaders are fighting for the justice of the Hathras woman, and on the other hand, the party ticket is being given to a rapist. It is a wrong decision. It will malign the image of our party, Tara Devi Yadav was quoted as saying by the news agency ANI. Tara Devi, in cell phone videos doing rounds on the internet, is seen being punched and pushed around by a group of men. She was rescued by a couple of other people who led her away. Tara Devi Yadav, in her complaint, has named Congress District President Dharmendra Singh, Vice President Ajay Singh, and two others for the attack. She has also leveled allegations of being attacked and molested. Moving on to the next news, around 800 acres of land in Mumbai's Are has been declared a reserve forest, Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray announced today. The Chief Minister said that the proposed car shed would be shifted to Kanjur Marg, adding that there would be no escalation in cost because the state government already owns a land there. He also added that the structure that had already been built in Are would be utilized for some other public purpose. The uncertainty over the car shed is over now. Biodiversity in Are needs to be protected. There is an 800-acre jungle in an urban setup. Mumbai has a natural forest cover, Mr. Thackeray said. Maharashtra CM also directed the withdrawal of all police cases filed against Are protesters. The cases are related to the people who tried to stop the authorities from cutting 2,700 trees last year. Moving on to the next news, on Sunday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the distribution of property cards under the Survey of Villages and Mapping with Improvised Technology in Village Areas Swamitva scheme. A historic effort towards rural transformation, the Prime Minister tweeted. He said he is delighted that such great work is being done on a day that has a historic importance. Today is the birth anniversary of Lok Nayak Jaiprakash Narayan and Nanaji Deshmukh, the Prime Minister said at the launch event of the distribution of property cards. Moving on to the next news, resident doctors and nurses of Delhi's Hindu Rao Hospital have begun a strike over non-payment of salaries for the last 4 months. For the last several weeks, 220 resident doctors and about 300 nursing staff have stopped working at the COVID-19 dedicated hospital. The municipal corporation-run hospital has been a COVID-dedicated hospital since June, and 23 patients were admitted till yesterday. The Delhi government shifted them to other hospitals as the doctors had announced that they would go on strike from today.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.